वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ वरिंदर सिंगला। आज हम सिविलियन अवार्ड्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। जो भी सिविलियन अवार्ड्स इंडिया में दिए जाते हैं, आज हम उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले जो सबसे बड़ा सिविलियन अवार्ड इंडिया में दिया जाता है वो है भारत रत्न। भारत रत्न इज़ द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड गिवन फॉर द रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ एक्सेप्शनल सर्विस एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर। On conferment of the award, the recipient receives Sanad certificate signed by the president and a medallion. It is of civilian category and established in 2nd January 1954. There is no monetary grant associated with this reward. The eligibility for this reward is the award was originally limited to achievement in the arts, literature, science, public service, but the government expanded the criteria to include any field of human endeavor in December 2011. The recommendation for Bharat Ratna were made by the Prime Minister to President with a maximum of 3 nominees being awarded per year. Bharat Ratna recipient 7th rank in Indian Order Presence. This is the image of Bharat Ratna, which is being given by the Indian government to the recipients. Here are some of the few recipients who are given Bharat Ratna in last years, but the latest on January 2009, 25th January 2019, the government announced the award to social activities Nanaji Deshmukh, Marnopranth, singer music director Bhupen Hazarika, Marnopranth, and to the former president of India Pranav Mukherjee. These are the 3 latest recipients of Bharat Ratna award. As of 2021, this award is given to 48 individuals starting from 1954 till 2021. Next civilian award is Padma Vibhushan. So, the Padma Bhushan is the second highest civilian award for the Republic of India after Bharat Ratna. The award is given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field, including service rendered by the government servants. This is again a civilian category award and established on 2nd January 1954. Eligibility for this Padma Bhushan is during 1st May and 15th September of every year. The recommendation of the awards are submitted to the Padma Award Committee constituted by the Prime Minister of India. The recommendations are received from all over the state, union territory governments, Minister of Government of the India, the Bharat Ratna and the previous Padma Vibhushan award recipients, the institutes of excellence and Minister and Chief Minister and the governors of the state, and the Member of Parliament including private individuals. The committee later submit their recommendation to the Prime Minister and then the President of India for the further approval. The award recipients are announced on Republic Day. This is the image of Padma Bhushan, which is the second civilian award, highest civilian award in India. The recipients of Padma Vibhushan in 2021 are Mr. Sinjoy Abe, Mr. S.B. Bublaramaniam, Mr. Balle Mo Bappa Hagje, Narinder Singh Kappe, Wahidin Khan, Bibi Lal, and Subra Shan Sahu. These are the 7 recipients who are being awarded with Padma Vibhushan in 2021. As of 2021, this Padma Vibhushan has been given to 321 individuals. Next is Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in the Republic of India, preceded by Bharat Ratna and the Padma Vibhushan, followed by the Padma Shri. The award is given for exceptional and distinguished service in the field, including tendered by the government servants. It is also again a civilian category award. It is established on 2nd January 1954. The Padma Award Committee is constituted every year by the Prime Minister of India, and the recommendations for the awards are submitted between 1st May and 15th September. The recommendations are received from the states, union territory government as well as Minister of Government of India, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan awardees, the Institute of Excellence Minister, Chief Minister, Governors of the state, Member of Parliament, and private individuals. The committee later submitted their recommendation to the Prime Minister and President of India for further approval. The awards are announced on 26th January on the Republic Day of India. This is the image of Padma Bhushan award which are given to the recipients of the recipients. The latest recipients of Padma Bhushan in 2021 are these are the 10 latest recipients of Padma Bhushan award in 2021. As of 2021, the award has been given to 1270 individuals. Next is Padma Shri. Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award of the Republic of India after the Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan. Again, civilian category award established on 2nd January 1954, and the Padma awardees are instituted in 1954 to the awardee awarded to the citizens of India in recognition of their distinguished contribution in various spheres of activity including arts, education, industry, literature, science, sports, medicine, social service and public affairs. It has been also been awarded to some distinguished individuals who are not citizens of India but did contribute in various ways to India. In 2021, 102 individuals were awarded with the Padma Shri latest. This is the image of Padma Shri which are given to the recipients. After these 4 civilian awards, next one is Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak. These are given by Ministry of Home Affairs. The Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak is a civilian life-saving award presented by Government of India after Padma Bhushan. Originally called Jivan Raksha Padak Class 1. It is a civilian life-saving award category award and established on 30th September 1961. Okay, and the reward for cash reward for this amount is 2 lakh rupees lump sum. The eligibility for Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak award is to the civilian towards saving life from drowning, fire and mine accident. It is awarded for consequence courage under circumstances of very great danger to the life of the rescue. The Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak may be awarded to the members of armed force, police, fire service when recognizable act take place outside beyond the course of their duty. Next is Uttam Jivan Raksha Padak. This is again given by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Is a civilian life-saving award presented by the Government of India after Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak. Originally called Uttam Jivan Raksha Padak Class 2 award, civilian life-saving award category, and cash prize for this is 1,50,000 and established on 30th September 1961. Again, the eligibility for this Uttam Jivan Raksha Padak award is same as that of Sarvottam Jivan Raksha Padak. Next one is Jivan Raksha Padak. Again, it is given by the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is again civilian life-saving award presented by the Government of India after Uttam Jivan Raksha Padak. Originally called Jivan Raksha Padak Class 3, life-saving award category award established on 30th September 1961. Lump sum amount is 1 lakh cash which are being provided to the recipients, and the eligibility for this is the Jivan Raksha Padak award is awarded to the civilian to award saving life from drowning, life and or mine accident. It is awarded for courage and promptitude in saving life under circumstances of grave body injury to the rescuers. The Jivan Raksha Padak may be awarded to the members to the armed force, police or fire service when recognized act take place outside beyond the course of their duty. These are all 7 civilian awards which are being provided by the Republic of India to the various representative of India. Thank you. Happy learning. Thanks for watching.